The all-new reporting module in KMC Commander is a quick and easy way to view information on your system and devices. It can be found in the left-hand menu by clicking the report icon. To create a report, click the Add New Report button at the bottom. With the launch of this module, we are including 4 types of reports: energy usage, manual override, out of range, and runtime. Let's step through each of these. The energy usage report is a great way of aggregating and collecting data in your system that is tagged with an energy tag and reporting a unit of kilowatt hours or kWh. After selecting this report type, there is one time frame dropdown you must select. After selecting your time frame, the report will begin populating with each of the devices and points relevant, displaying the time frame of the information collected and the total kWh. To narrow this report down, you can select only the devices you want to include in the saved report. Then, next time you open the report, only those points and devices will display. Or likewise, you can select all the records, click Save, and the report will display all the points next time it is open. This data is also available to be downloaded as a CSV file, giving ease of access to this data for local reporting or other tools. Reports can be closed by clicking the X in the top right, and reopen by selecting the report on the left. The next kind of report is manual override. Are you interested in seeing which points are currently written at a particular priority? By adding this report and typing in a particular priority value, you'll get just that. Want to see all the points written at 7 or below? Done. And if you identify an issue, it's easy right in the report to make changes to that point. Clicking the Action button next to the point brings up the Point Change pop-up menu. You can change the set point, click Advanced, and view the priority array, and clear a priority within that array, then write that point at a more appropriate priority. Again, all inside the report. And like other reports, you could download the data as a CSV and save the report for easy viewing later. One note about the manual override report. We always recommend double-checking the priority array for any problematic overrides. The reporting module will use what the last known priority or command was, which, if not recently fetched by KMC Commander, may not be the most accurate number. The next report type is the out-of-range report. By simply adding a minimum value and maximum value to the 2 text boxes, the tool will search all points inside the platform and display the points with a current value outside the range of those 2 values. You could also simply limit to above a value or below a value if there's something particular you're looking for. Once generated, select the points you want to include in the report, click Save, and now it's always available. The last type of report is Runtime. This report looks at all binary values in the system and calculates the amount of time a device or point has been set to a particular value. A helpful report for a huge number of applications and troubleshooting tasks. While these are the only 4 report types at the launch of this module, we will continue to add more over time. Additionally, if there is a report type you'd like to see, contact us today and we'd be happy to work with you to create it through our KMC Commander professional services. To learn more about KMC Commander, check out our other videos, and to find out more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.